Welcome to News Movement English. I'm Shiny Day. Let's start today's news. The first electric concept car made up of 80% of recycled plastics. Mandalaki Studio teamed up with Italian car company Estima to design the first electric concept car made from 80% recycled plastics. The Biro O2 car was presented at the Rosanna Orlandi Gallery during Milan Design Week as a part of the Gallerist RO Plastic Prize that invited designers to develop new ways of recycling and using plastic. According to its creator, the O2 model is an electric car made with a higher percentage of recycling plastics than any other vehicle on the market. The O2 concept is based on the original Biro car, a fully electric vehicle designed for commuting in the city, which is compact enough to be parked in scooter spaces and features a removable battery. Instead of the thick, high-density ABS plastic used for the main body of the original model, Mandalaki's Biro O2 give waste plastics a new life by recycling them into a non-polluting vehicle. As a design studio, we are fascinated by the automotive world and in general by the world of performance, said Mandalaki designer Enrico De Lotto. We try to develop projects that can have a real impact on people's life and not just make things they are nice to look at. Projects should be functional and solve needs. For this reason, we started to work on the idea of electric mobility evaluated at the maximum stage of sustainability, and through that Biro could be the perfect partner to develop this concept because its model is extremely minimal, he continued. From here, we began thinking about the elements of the car that we would do without or that we could recycle. Less parts means less plastic, and less things to produce, less weight to move, and so on. After discovering the large amount of waste left by road maintenance, such as cones and signboards, Mandalaki began working with suppliers to see which of these elements they could recycle. These plastics waste elements were ground into a fine powder and put through a rotational modeling process to form the structural parts of the vehicles, including the front and the rear components and the rear hatch. All other elements of the car, such as the seats and the tachometer, steering wheel and door, have been produced from various types of non-recycled plastics, chiefly thermoformed PVC. The exterior recycled plastics panels boast a computer-generated pattern comprising blue flakes inspired by the motion of the wind and ocean in a bead to represent. Admission open for session 2022-23 for classes 7 to 12 pass. An IIT JEE and NEET. Motion Durgapur Center. Durgapur Study Center, Motion Tower, UCB 22, Bengal, Ambuja City Center. Our contact number 9434822278 and 8900100080. Motion Durgapur Center. Today we are going to tell you that how you can take care of your liver. 5 strategy to preserve kidney health. Stay hydrated. Your kidney needs sufficient fluid to clear sodium and flush out toxins. And while there is no clear-cut guideline regarding the exact amount of water and other fluids you should drink daily to maintain good health, most experts recommend sipping 1.5 to 2 liters daily. Just keep in mind that your fluid needs depends on various factors including gender, fitness level, climate, health conditions, and whether you are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have previously suffered from kidney stones or kidney disease. Adopt a healthy diet. The vast majority of kidney problems stems from other medical conditions such as diabetes and high blood sugar. So it makes sense to reduce your risk of those chronic conditions by eating a healthy diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Not only will this style of eating help control weight and blood pressures, it may also stave off the other diseases such as cancer. Exercise. Engaging in regular physical activity is just as important as developed healthy eating habits. Both help prevent weight gain and keep blood pressure level in check. Keeping trim and fit helps the kidney continues to function as long as possible. Stop cigarette smoking. Smoking wreaks the havoc on your blood vessels, decreasing the flow of blood not only to the kidney but to all of the vital organs. And when the kidney does not have adequate blood flow, they won't work as well as they should. To make matter worse, smoking raises blood pressure level and increases your risk of heart disease. Keep medication in check. Many medications, whether over the counter or prescription, filtered through the kidney to be cleared from the human body. Even extremely healthy supplements can harm your kidneys. Herbs and supplements may increase toxins in the body and affect the kidney cells directly. The best way to maintain your kidney health is to take care of yourself. Eat sensible food, stick to a regular fitness regimen, and avoid unnecessary medications. Most important, if you smoke, stop then. People who have diabetes or high blood pressure should also receive regular screening for kidney dysfunction or spilling protein in the urine. Kidney disease is often silent, but if you notice symptoms such as swelling in the legs, fatigue, urinating frequently or at night, bubbling looking urine, and suffer from unrelating headaches, contact your primary care physicians. Angel Vidya Mandir, a sure way to success. We provide classes from class 8 to 10, class 11 12, Science, Arts, Commerce, Bengali and English, graduation honors and program, computer science plus application economics, Sanskrit, pol science, philosophy, BCom, and we also provided all types of competitive classes like SSC, Rail, WBCS and state level exam. Our contact number are 9932864067 and 81161833079. India recorded 1.2 lakhs cases of deaths due to negligence of road accidents. India recorded 1.2 lakh cases of deaths due to negligence related to road accidents in 2020, with 328 persons losing their lives every day on an average despite of COVID-19 lockdown according to the government data. As many as 3.92 lakh lives has been lost in 3 years in deaths due to negligence related to road accident. The National Crime Record Bureau revealed in its annual Crime India report for 2020. While 1.2 lakh deaths were recorded in 2020, the figures stood at 1.36 lakhs in 2019 and 1.35 lakh in 2018. The country lost 1.35 lakh cases of hit and run since 2018, and report of the NCRB, which functions under the Union Home Minister, showed. In 2020 alone, there were 41,196 cases of hit and run, while there were 47,504 such cases in 2019 and 47,228 in 2018. The report said, on an average, there was 112 cases of hit and run reported across the country every day in the past years, according to the data. The cases of causing hurt by rash or negligent driving on public were stood at 1.30 lakh in 2020 rail accidents. Meanwhile, 52 cases of deaths due to the negligence related to rail accidents were recorded across the country in 2020, and 55 such cases in 2019 and 35 in 2018, the report showed. During 2020, India was lost 133 cases of deaths due to medical negligence, 201 such cases in 2019 and 218 in 2018, and the NCRB said that there were 51 cases of deaths due to the negligence of civic bodies in 2020, while there were 147 cases in 2019 and 40 in 2018, according to the report. Another 6,365 cases of deaths due to other negligence were reported across the country in 2020, 7,912 cases in 2019 and 8,686 cases in 2018. The NCRB stated that in the report that the country remained under complete lockdown from March 25, 2020 till May 31, 2020 due to the COVID-19 pandemic, during which the movement in public spaces were very limited. The cases registered under crime against women, children and senior citizens, theft, burglary, robbery, and dacoity have therefore declined, whereas COVID-related enforcement has resulted in increase of cases registered under disobedience to order duly promulgated by public servant under other IPAC crimes and under other state local acts is noted. Want to be a doctor? Hold the hands of an expert. Coaching for medical need AIMS entrance examinations by D.K. Lal Sir. Regular classes for class 11th, 12th and BSc. Contact number 9832 824 975. Now something about voter list. An all-party meeting was held by West Bardhaman District Administration on Thursday regarding the amendment in voter list in Asansol. Representatives of all the political parties including Trinamool Congress, BJP, CPM, Congress were present in this meeting. The representatives of all the political parties who arrived in the meeting, chaired by DM S. Arun Prasad, were given detailed information about the work of amending the voter list. Along with this, representatives of political parties also spoke before the district administration officials and assured all the possible cooperation to complete the work of amendment in voter list in a better way. Chauvel told that the work of amending the voter list will last for about 1.5 months. From November 1st to 28th, applications can be made from making new voter ID cards at all the booths during this period. For any kind of amendment, transfer of name of the voter list from one place to another and other works. He said that 7 campaign days have been fixed for amendment in the voter list. During this, BLOs will be present all the booths of each area from 12 am to 4 pm and on normal days from 12 pm to 2 pm. Apart from this, National Voter Services portal has been created by the election commissions. Anyone can apply online. During this time, TMC leader Prabodh Rai, CPM's Manoj Datta, BJP's Pramod Vishwakarma, Congress CMM Mustafa were present. New voter card, take these documents with you to get it on. 2 color passport size photographs, photocopy of ration card or photography of Aadhaar card, or photocopy of date of birth certificate must be 18 years old. Photocopy of voter card of any other member of the house.
Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. Prevention is better than cure. Always cover your mouth and nose while sneezing. Wash your hands regularly. Use sanitizer. Avoid contact with others. Wear mask. Avoid social gathering. Don't touch your eyes and mouth frequently. Issued in public interest by Biofina. Drink healthy, stay healthy. For trade inquiry, mail care@rkmgroup.in. Contact toll-free number 1800-258-7060.
A day after Lakhi Pujo, a group of 30 people went to Uttarakhand. 5 people were killed when their vehicle fell into a ditch on their way to Kaushani on Wednesday afternoon. An autopsy of the bodies of 5 people, including 3 women, was conducted at the Bageshwar District Hospital in Uttarakhand on Thursday morning. However, the Assistant Superintendent of Asansol District Hospital, Khakon Roy, who has been with the tourist group of all day, is talking to the administration about how to bring the bodies of the 5 back to Asansol. On the other hand, Asansol Durgapur Unnayan Parishad or Addar Chairman Raniganj MLA Taposh Bandopadhyay, West Bardhaman District Magistrate, also spoke to the resident commissioner. The District Magistrate Bineet Kumar said that he was brought to the hospital for treatment. Khakon Roy said on the phone that 2 of the 6 people admitted to Bageshwar District Hospital have been taken to another big hospital for better treatment. Jadunath Chakraborty, the husband of late Sharvani Chakraborty, a resident of Maheshwara Colony, Asansol, was visited by his son and daughter from Delhi at Bageshwar Hospital this morning. Later, they took her away from her. Similarly, Tipu Khan, husband of the late Chandan Khan of Raniganj, was admitted to the hospital. Her daughter and son-in-law came and took her away. Besides Chinmay Bandyopadhyay and Deepabita Ghatak was also released from the hospital on the same day. Khakun Roy further said that the district magistrate Binit Kumar, especially sub-divisional magistrate Paritosh Verma, is cooperating with us very much. We have stayed at the hotel in place of 24 km away from Bageshwar. Arrangements for the hotel were made by the administration on Wednesday evening after the accident. We have requested the sub-divisional magistrate to arrange a vehicle for us to travel about 196 km from Kapto to Lalkua. I said we will repay the rent. We have a train from Lalkua to Asansol next Saturday. That's why we have to go there. The tour operator has already lodged a complaint with the Capcoat police station on behalf of Manjit Singh, the driver of the car which hit our car from behind and fell into the ditch. It has been written in a allegation that there was an accident or not driving properly. The driver is currently undergoing treatment of Bageshwar Hospital. The children and the women in the group are most terrified after the incident on Wednesday. Everyone asks when I will return home, and those who have lost their families cannot think. Now I represent today's poem. Step in Abhinav Guinea House at Ken Mukherjee Lane, Asansol. We deals diamond, gems and stones, gold hallmarked jewelries, silver items and utensils, zodiac powered items. Our contact number 9933 990 442 and 0341 23 অভিনব গিনি হাউস আপনার রূপকথা I seem to have loved you in numberless forms and numberless times, in life after life, in age after age, forever. My spellbound heart has made and remade the necklace of songs that you take as a gift, wear round your necklace in your many forms. In life after life, in age after age, forever. Whenever I heard old chronicles of love, its age-old pain, its ancient tale of being apart or together. As I stare on and on into the past, in the end you emerge, clad in the light of a pole star, presaging the darkness of time. You become an image of what is remembered forever. Today's SMS of the moment: shared joy is double joy. To all the viewers, thank you for watching our video. If you like it, then please share, subscribe the video. Don't forget to push the bell icon for further notification.